Be ready. Start. A challenge to the representation has been made as denial of equal pay for equal work for the post of class 4 and regularization on the post of assistant secretary is not legally tenable. Stop. I have considered the submissions made by the learned counsel for the petitioner and perused the record. Stop. The petitioner was engaged as class 4 servant sometime in the year 1960 in pursuance to his application made in the year 1959. Stop. There is nothing on record to show that the petitioner was engaged and appointed on regular basis after undergoing the process for regular appointment. Stop. In view of the above, the engagement of the petitioner as class 4 was not in accordance with the rules, rather it was by way of backdoor entry. Stop. The petitioner, however, continued in service till 1975 and on separation of Nyay Panchayat, he was discontinued from service. Stop. The petitioner was, however, engaged as class 4 with effect from 1/6/1976 in pursuance to the order dated 9/6/1976. Stop. The petitioner was thereafter taken as assistant secretary on a lump sum amount wide order dated 18/9/1981. Stop para. It is quite surprising that the petitioner was taken as assistant secretary, though under the Rajasthan Panchayati Raj Act of 1994 bracket start hereinafter referred as the Act of 1994 bracket clause and rules made thereunder in the year 1996 does not provide post of assistant secretary. Stop. It was not existing even under the repealed act and rules. Stop. Thus engagement of the petitioner as assistant secretary was dehors the rules and by way of backdoor entry. Stop. In any case, the petitioner did not prefer writ petition to claim benefit on or before attaining the age of superannuation, but is much subsequent to it. Stop. The claim of regularization has been made on the post of assistant secretary Gram Panchayat while the petitioner is at the age of 68 years, thus not liable to be continued in service. Stop. It seems to be nothing but a case of sheer favoritism by the respondent, whereby the petitioner has been continued even on the post which does not exist under the rules without recruitment as per rules. Stop. It is despite the direction of the apex court in the case of Secretary State of Karnataka versus Uma Devi in 2006 SCC 1. Stop. It is a case where despite of specific direction of the apex court, the petitioner was continued in service without observing the rules required for regular appointment. Stop. Over.